In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact to Pipedrive CRM. We're going to walk through the quickest way to create a new person record so you can capture essential details without getting lost in extra options. This is perfect if you're just getting started with Pipedrive or if you want a fast, repeatable process for adding new leads and customers. First, look over to the left-hand side of your Pipedrive screen. You'll see a vertical sidebar with different icons for the main areas of the app. Find the contacts icon there and click on it. This icon usually takes you to the main list of people and organizations stored in your CRM. By going to Contacts first, you're telling Pipedrive that you want to work directly with your contact list, rather than deals or activities. Once the Contacts page opens, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Plus Person. This is the shortcut for creating a brand new contact. Go ahead and click that button. This opens a simple form where you can enter basic information about the person you want to add. Now you'll see fields for the person's details. Start by typing their name. It's a good idea to use the full name if you have it, so it's easy to search for later. Next, add their phone number. If you have more than one number, you can choose the primary one that you'll use most often. Then, type in their email address. Try to use a professional or work email when possible, since that's usually what you'll use for communication and tracking. At this stage, you're focusing on the essentials: name, phone, and email. These three fields are enough to create a useful contact without slowing yourself down with extra customization. You can always come back later to fill in more details like organization, job title, or custom fields once the contact is already saved. When you've entered the name, phone, and email, go ahead and click the Save button. This confirms the new contact and adds them to your Pipedrive database. After saving, you'll be able to see this person in your contacts list, and you can start linking them to deals, activities, or notes as your relationship develops. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've added a new contact to Pipedrive using the fastest possible method.